Hello everyone, this is your boy Kelvin, and welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to do calisthenics. Good. Just 5 minutes calisthenics, and it's going to be the easiest way to do it because I am into calisthenics and I'm not into it because I'm not doing it every day. But the little tricks I have for new beginners like me, I want to share it with you. So join me, let's do this together. 5 minutes. Okay. So, calisthenics is all about core and shoulder and body weight training. Yeah. So, if your core is weak, it will be hard for you to use your body. If your shoulders are weak, it will be hard for you to use your body. So, what must we do? Let us do push-up. All right. So we have normal push-up and we have calisthenics push-up, right? So normal push-up, we normally do it like this. Good. Normal push-up again, like this, right? Very good. So, but when we get to calisthenics section, we have to switch the push-up. Good. So instead of doing normal, we are going to pull it and stretch the shoulders. All right? We pull and stretch the shoulders like this. So we move from here down and we pull it, right? You pull, and your core is tight. Good. So you pull, don't pull your back like this. No, just pull your shoulders in and out. Good. In and out. Very good. Nice one. So these are some of the calisthenics push-up. We also have another forward push-up, right? This one, you need to take your time also. So if there's your palm on the floor, you just have to push a little forward with your shoulders, and then you pump, you pull up, you pump, you pull up. Good. And pull up, pump, and pull up. Make sure your elbow is not too open, but very close to your body. All right, very good. So this push-up helps to build your shoulders. Very good. So let's move to section 3. So sometimes when you push your body up, you should add this one to it. Tap, strengthen the core. At the same time, strengthen the shoulders. Good. And move, and move, and move, and move. Yeah. Very good. And bring it back and relax. Good one. So this target is strengthen the core, and strengthen the shoulders. It's really amazing. If you keep doing this for 15 days, you will find a lot of different from your body. All right, so we move to knee in. It's like a mountain climb. Yeah, similar to mountain climb, but this one, still we lay on our shoulders forward like this. Make sure your shoulders are more up. Lock your core, your legs in, your knees comes in. Then you push. Good. You keep pushing forward, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Good. So you do the same thing for both legs. Okay? In, out. So while you push in, you push out, you push in, you strengthen the shoulders. At the same time, using one exercise to hit 2 exercises. All right? Very good. So when you do that, you switch to the next leg. Nice one. All right. So let's try to do a little bit crow pose. It looks like the yoga crow pose, right? Like this one. We do this. Good. Nice. It's yoga position, yoga pose, but it also help your handstand when it comes to calisthenics, right? Very good. So we move. You can do elbow down and put your knee on it and be like this for at least 20 seconds. All right? So like this, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You bring down. Good. You take break. Relax because you need your body for the next section. Good one. So this one, if you start doing this, good. So normally, for you to build this crow pose very strong, your shoulder have to be strong. That's where the pipes push-up comes in. So normally we go down. Good. So you can count from here. If your palm cannot touch the floor, no problem, you can do fingertip. So this one is not a mount. From here, it goes 1 and 2. All right, then you spread, you measure. Nice one. Now, if this one is too hard for you to go down and up, you can then do 4 or 3. Okay, very good. So this one, make sure your elbow will not come down like this. It's different routine. But this one, we are pulling the shoulders. If your elbow comes down, you are doing your triceps. But if your shoulder goes forward and your elbow stay where it is, but the shoulder bend and pull, now you are doing shoulder strength. Good. You push, you stretch. You push, you stretch. You push, you stretch. So you do to your limit. All right? So do it to your limit. All right, so this is page 1, chapter 1, part 1 for beginners for calisthenics, okay? So next section, next one, we are going to continue. All right, I'm also doing it to improve myself because I normally do not do it, right? So body workout is more effective than other exercise because sometimes we don't have money to go to the gym, so we can use our body as the tools we need to train. So this is your boy, Kelvin. I'm out.